Yo, what up, guys? So today we are going to test drive the Z for the first time. I already have insurance, got the plates and registered, so we are good to go. Man, I'm excited. Let's go. Alright, guys, so we are on the main street and we are officially driving the Z now. Damn. I can already tell this car is like super stiff. Even on stock suspension, like it feels stiff. But damn. This view though, like it feels weird. I never drove in a car like this before. Like the windows are so small. Holy crap, there's a fucking blind spot. Yeah, there's a lot of blind spots. Oh damn, I have to adjust my mirrors. Okay, like one thing about the Z, like the body, it's so freaking wide that if you look in your mirrors, your side mirrors, all you see is your fenders. Well, the fender flares. And so on this car I have to adjust it because I cannot see I can't see the road. All I see is the ass on this car. So let me see. Let me adjust that meanwhile. Alright, well, that's slightly better. I think I'm gonna have to get those mirrors from AutoZone. Like the wide mirrors, the little small ones. Because like I said, this car is super wide. And the blind spot, man, it ain't no joke. But damn, this car, like I said, it's stiff, but it's smooth, you know. On the Evo, you can feel every bump. Oh, speaking of bumps, I apologize because my phone is mounted to my windshield, so I know you guys gonna be like all over the place. But fuck it. Ooh, let's put this thing in sport mode or manual mode. Oh, you guys heard that? Woo! Oh shit! Okay. Oh damn. Okay, we are doing the speed limit. Don't worry, guys. Oh wow! Damn, this car picks up quick, man. I was not expecting that, guys. Man, this car is fun to drive. Alright, we get on the highway now. Downshift. Alright guys, this car is pretty fun, I ain't gonna lie. It is fast too, don't get me wrong, this car is fast. Or I would say quick. This V6 puts in work. But I do notice that it needs an alignment. My steering wheel slightly off and the car pulls to the right. So we need to get that ASAP and get the wheels balanced. But yeah, this car, I'm liking it so far, guys. It's fun to drive, I gotta tell you that. I wish I could do another pool, but I'm stuck in Houston traffic now. But yeah. Oh yeah, so since we're driving the car and it's like 70 degrees out here today. If you do remember from the last video, we did have to pull the AC or the Freon out the lines. So I think that's where I'm gonna go today. I'm gonna go get my Freon recharged. We'll get the lines vacuum and recharge. So I'll see you guys over there. Alright guys, so as you can see, he's got the vacuum line hooked up. And we are extracting all the debris and air and even water from the lines. So whenever he goes to and recharges a new Freon, we won't have any debris inside the lines that will cause any trouble with the AC compressor or the condenser. So if you do replace the radiator support like I did in my last video, make sure you bring it to someone that can vacuum it out and put new Freon in it, because you do not, trust me, you do not want to replace that damn AC compressor that's down there somewhere. But alright guys, so I've been driving around for a while now, and this AC is freaking cold. Like, it is ice cold. I guess this AC compressor is big because this shit's fucking cold. But anyways, so I drove by my friend's muffler shop, and it kind of gave me an idea. You know, this is a sports car, and it's too quiet, guys. Like, let me step on it. Now you can hear it a little bit, but I think it's time to open it up. Honestly, I wanted to do this like in a whole different video, but I'm already out and about, so, and the muffler shop's like right around the corner, so I'm gonna stop by and see, get a quote, and if it's a good deal, which I'm pretty sure he's gonna hook it up, he's gonna get an exhaust today, boys. But before that, I'm gonna give you a before and after video of the, you know, the OEM stock. What the fuck? Of the OEM exhaust. So let's do it. As you can tell, guys, we do need a muffler on this thing because it is super quiet. Let's go for a drive. Look, it's already in manual mode. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. All right, downshift. Second, downshift. First. Yeah. So that's how it sounds. OEM. I'm about to go to the muffler shop. Woo! And give you guys the after, so stay tuned. Oh shit! Woo! Damn, this shit picks up fast, guys. Woo! Okay, like I said, this car is nice and fast, but it's just too quiet. So we're about to fix this issue right now. You want to come out? Damn. Put up a fight, huh?
When you're stuck?
Huh?
When you're stuck?
Yeah, fuck it. Let's get on with that shit. That looks pretty good like that. What do you think?
So I have a collection. This is my stock Evo muffler.
Stock Evo muffler is a
This is my
370.
Nissan muffler.
Oh man.
How's that right there?
As long as it's not touching the bumper, it's good. But damn, that shit looks OEM. I don't know how you do it, man, but he's good.
That stick is tight.
Ooh, shit burning. Ooh, here she comes, guys. Are you guys ready for the startup? Man, I cannot wait. All right, let's get it. Let's see. Damn, bro. Look at a huge difference. Damn. All right, go for it, bro. Oh. Damn. Hell yeah.
The only way you become a pro is drive it, if it breaks,
Bro.
Okay.
Sounds creepy. Yo, what up, guys? So today it's another day because yesterday we ran out of daylight, so I couldn't show you guys a clip of me driving the car, my first impression. But you will get a first cold start, and I'm gonna go back on the feeder and get on it so I can do the before and after videos, and so you guys can tell the difference. But man, I gotta tell you guys, it's a huge difference, and I love it. But let's get to it. So how's that for first startup? It's loud, huh? But it's loud, but it's like nice and quiet too. But anyways, let's get back to the highway so I can show you guys how this beast sounds on the highway. All right, guys, so I'm right here by the highway, and I'm about to get on the feeder so I can give you guys an exhaust clip from the inside. Let's get it. That startup though, man. I love that startup. Alright, we're going to manual mode. Let's go. Hopefully this camera mount will be nice and stable. But fuck it, let's go. Put my windows down so you guys can hear. Should I do the first gear pull? Fuck it, let's do it. Oh, traction control. Damn, that was a fail. Damn. Alright, I have to turn off traction control because that was a totally fail right there. Holy shit. Woo! Damn, this shit's fucking loud. Alright, you guys ready? Second gear, let's go! Shit. Damn. Notice a little performance gain. I guess it's like we pretty much opened up the exhaust a little bit by removing the muffler, and now it's like shit. We get the monster got to me. So now we have sound and we have performance. Shit, you can't go wrong with that. French. Oh, damn. It just sounds so freaking clean. Ready? Talk to you about the exhaust for daily driving. Like if you delete the muffler like I did, and as you can tell, I can talk to you guys with no problem. Like just cruising, this car is super quiet. It doesn't even seem like, you know, it has a muffler delete. But yeah, like it's so quiet. This is why I like it. And I was going to remove the resonators, but it was gonna be too damn loud. So with just a muffler, it's perfect. Like you guys heard it. Once I get on it, it's like loud and it sounds nice. But you just cruising, it's like super quiet. It's like factory. All right, I'm gonna pull over and do like a. I'm just gonna rev it in neutral. All right, let's give you guys the inside sound exhaust. That thing sounds super clean to me, but anyways, this is the end of the vlog, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a long day. See you guys on the next one.